Good afternoon, student. Today we will discuss about the G Mains previous year question. So today's session we will just solve the question related with the G Mains. Okay. So here are the formal introduction of this topic that we will discuss about the quadratic equation one, and second we will discuss some question related with the second topic, that is called trigonometry. It means we will just discuss these two topics for previous year question. So we will start with the first question, that is called it came in your paper. So they have given question number 6. So in question number 6 they have mentioned that is m, n are roots of equation x plus p and x plus q is equals to k, and second, then the root of x minus m and x minus n is equals to minus k will be equals to what? So means they have earlier given this equation and they are asking what is the root of these equation. So what you guys will do, if you will take the negative sign comparison with this one p and q, so you will see here by looking they have these option. First option A, p and q. B, they have given B option, that is 1 upon p and 1 upon q, and C option they have given minus p and q, and D they have given p plus q, p minus q. Okay, so if you want to suggest that what probable answer will come, so first आप लोगों को ये करना पड़ेगा कि you have to see that it is a upper equation, it is a lower equation. In these two equation, if you will see, only the constant are different by negative sign, but you can see it is the root of second equation, that is called m and n. If you will do the compare with this one, so minus m is equals to p, so that will be the minus p, minus n you will compare with the q, that will be minus q. So it means that C option is correct for it, that minus p and minus q will be right answer for this one. Next after this we will go through the second question. So second question is also from this topic, that is called a quadratic equation. So they have mentioned here, we can go with the C. They have given a question number 8. In this question they are saying alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation as a x square ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and they are asking to you guys that if alpha plus h and beta plus h are the roots of, if alpha plus h and beta plus h are the roots of px square plus qx plus r is equals to 0, then what will be the value of h is equals to? And for this question they have given you 4 options. One is given a, that is called 1 upon 2 b upon a minus q upon p, and one B option they have given 1 upon 2 bracket minus b upon a plus q upon p. Okay, so I am just writing down these two options, then after completing the question we will just put the option in a LHS equals to RHS manner. Okay, now see, if you want to understand this question, so every time in paper they will provide you the question in form of a non-numeric value. Means see here a, b, c and p, q, r, this is given in question. So means what you guys have to pay attention on it, you have to make it into the numeric value. So what you guys have to do, if you will assume alpha beta by your own home, that is alpha and beta you can assume as a 2 and 3. Okay, so by assuming alpha beta 2 and 3, you guys are getting the equation x square minus 235x plus 6. Means you can make the quadratic equation x square minus sx plus p. So I have written here this one. You do the compare with this one. So a is coming that is 1, b is coming minus 5, and c is coming 6. Now you guys have to pay attention that they are asking the value of h. and they have given a new equation by the name of alpha plus h and beta plus h. So by my side you can assume h as a 3 by your side, means h I am assuming as a 3. Okay, so when you have assumed h3, so the new roots become this. Here we will put the value, that is 2 plus 3 comma this beta plus h, beta is 3, so 3 plus 3, so new roots are 5 comma 6. So new equation will be that will be x square minus sum of root means 11x and plus product of root, that will be 30. So you guys can pay attention. आप लोग ये देखो कि this equation just has been equal to this one, मतलब ये equation हमारी चली गई इस वाली equation के equals में. तो अगर if you will do the compare, so it means p is coming 1, q is coming 11 minus 11 and r is coming 30. So it means ये देखो, we got the value of p, q and r, we got the value of a, b और c. So अब आप लोगों को they have asked that what is the value of h. तो हम लोगों ने h की वैल्यू क्या assume की थी 3. So now you can go with the 4 option and just wait. So when you will go with the 4 option, so what you can do, you can put here the value of b, a, q, p, which will come equals to 3. That will be the right answer. See, it is 1 upon 2 b upon a, so b upon a, that is minus 5. Then minus q upon p, sir, q is 11 and p is 1. So see the guys here, 11 minus 5, it is 6 upon 2, it is equals to 3, which is equals to the value of h. Okay, that, so a option will be the correct. Again you can see what I have done. I have made my LHS is equals to RHS. So I have made LHS ax square by doing compare with the two roots 2 and 3 assume कर लिया मैंने, and उसके बिहाफ पर I got the equation x square minus 5x plus 6. अब तुम लोग क्या करोगे, इसकी कंपेयर कर लो इस वाले से, सो ABC की वैल्यू सेट हो गई. नाउ द h अपने आप से अपने घर से assume कर लो that h is equals to 3. अब उठाकर h को यहाँ पुट करोगे तो 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 3, तो नए रूट्स विल बी 5, 6. अब नए रूट्स पे नई इक्वेशन कंपेयर किया, PQR भी आ गया, ABC भी आ गया. नाउ आखिरी लाइन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन h is equals to 3 पूछा था इन्होंने. सो तुम लोग क्या करोगे, ABC की वैल्यू इन ईच ऑप्शन यू विल कीप एंड व्हिच विल कम्स इक्वल्स टू 3, दैट विल बी राइट ऑप्शन. ओके, सो कमिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So now the next question is from the trigonometry. We have to discuss that trigonometry session. So in a trigonometry you can see some easy question they are giving, and by this same LHS is equals to RHS pattern we will complete the question again. Okay, by doing so. So just you can recognize one by one. First, see here, one question they have given, if A, B, C are in AP, means they have given an initial line of the question in a triangle ABC, if ABC are in AP. So they are asking which one of the following is correct, which one of following is correct, following is correct. So what you guys have to do, this is, let's suppose, question number 7. You guys can pay attention. They have given an option A, that is C is equals to A plus B, B, that is C square is equals to A square plus B square minus AB, C, that is A square is equals to B square plus C square minus BC, and D, they have given B square is equals to A square plus C square minus AC. Now अब कैसे करें, है ना, how we will solve it. So what you guys have to pay attention, this is called our LHS, ये हमारा LHS हो गया, and LHS always equals to our RHS. So LHS RHS के equal हो रहा है, it means initial stage में they will provide you all the required information in question. So they have mentioned ABC are in AP. So what I will do, I will take them as my side 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So by putting these three angles, I got the triangle in AP. Okay. Now you can apply the sine rule here. That sine rule is saying Sin A upon A, sin B upon B, sin C upon C. So this we will discuss in a properties of triangle, where they have a triangle that is A, B, C, in front of A, in front of B, B, in front of C, C. So this kind of triangle they have a sine rule. Now what we have to do? What we will take? Sin A upon A. It means A is 30 degree. So here I will mention that is sin 30 degree upon A, sin 60 degree upon B, sin 90 degree upon C, and you guys can assume it as a K. Now what you can see, sir, A, that this kind of, see, A will go this side and sin 30 is 1 upon 2K. Then B is equals to root 3 upon 2K, and C is equals to, that is 1 upon K. Now you guys just ignore the value of K and put these value A, B, C in an option. So let's suppose we will start putting from the last option, that is B square. So this will be 3 upon 4. A square, that will be 1 upon 4. C square, that will be 1. Then minus AC. So AC will be 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. See that it is 1, 4 1 ja 4, 1, 5 upon 4 minus 2. So 3 upon 4 is equals to 3 upon 4. So you guys can see only the D option is correct for this, and we have hit also. Means by putting the value we got that LHS is equals to RHS. I think it is okay. Now coming upon one more question. So if you guys will pay attention on the next question category, that is called from this same, that is trigonometry. So see one more question by my side, one more. So in this question they have given if side of a triangle are in ratio of, they have given 2 is to root 6 is to 1 plus root 3. So they are asking what will be the smallest angle. So again when this question is given, so it is proper theoretical question, means you have to just clear the theory regarding this, then you are able to solve this question. So what you guys will do in this question, you have remembered that what sine rule I have told you, that sine rule is sine A upon A, sine B upon B, sine C upon C. So A is 2, B is root 6, C is root 3 plus 1. Now you guys can do what? This is the value, that is 2, that is root 6, and that is root 3 plus 1. Now student, what I will do, I will try to make them angle and I will get the value of ABC. So what I will do here, I am just going to divide it by, if I will divide it by 2, I will get 90 here. But by dividing it by 2, I will not get here root 3 by 2 kind of thing. So what I will do here, I will just divide it by the 2 root 2. See that, because I know that it is a 15 degree value. So see, pay attention. So it got cancelled, it is coming root 3 upon 2. Okay, it got cancelled and it coming that 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 will tell you that it is a 45 degree. Root 3 by 2 will tell you that it is a 60 degree. And this 60 plus 45, 105. So it will be 75 degree, not 15. Okay. So the all angle we got it. They are asking in the question what will be the value of a smallest angle. So smallest angle will be that 45 degree in this triangle. It is fine. Okay. So just keep okay for this session, means this much question we will discuss, and on my next class I will discuss more question also by doing this easy method to solve the question. Okay. So till then, good luck, all the best.